So as you can see, there's a video with my voiceover of the instructor, and then the transcript is also in your notes if you'd like to go back and follow along and make any other notes or revisit anything. Now, vocabulary number 2, learning styles. To learn. Pull something off of the paper and put it in your head. Learn. Learning. More than once. Learning. Practice. Practice. Moves back and forth. Some people have their hands open like an A, and some people have their fingers curled in. Depending on how long your nails are, that might help you decide which variation feels more comfortable to you. To remember. Remember or remember. You take that note from your forehead and you put it on either the back or the front of your thumb. Remember. Make a mental note. Ready? 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 Ready. I usually sign this version. Now. Now. Again. Repeat. Again. Join, or to participate. Join, participate. I have my hand pretty open. Another option is a more closed version. You can also say I'm joining you or you're joining me. That's called a directional sign. And here is snapshot number 2, different learning styles.